Alright, fine morning. I don't usually make such videos because my content is in a different language, but I'll be making this product review in English today. So I received one of this camping table from this company, how do you pronounce it? EDEUOEY. They have a very difficult name to pronounce. Have a look at this. Yeah, so they contacted me. They wanted me to review their camping table. So today I'm just going to unbox it and I'm going to set it up and see how sturdy it is, what kind of quality it has. Starting off, it comes in a very nice waterproof bag. As you can see, it's a zip tie on the top, so I can just open it and you can access the camping table from in here. The good thing is the bag actually has two compartments in there, so the table legs are separately to the table itself. So these are the table legs. They are nicely folded, and then this is the table itself, and you can put this on the side. It's a waterproof bag, so you can use it for other things as well. It's not just for the table. Okay, so the tabletop, it comes very nicely folded. As you can see, it has these different slats and they're all nicely stacked together. And the good thing is it comes with this elastic band, this rubber band type thing, so you can actually, it doesn't wobble that much because of this band. If you open this and you stretch it out, so your tabletop comes out like this. And by looking at the quality of the plastic and the strings, I mean, it looks nicely finished. There are no massive moving parts in it, and it looks very sturdy. I put this on the side. Now these are the folding legs, so you can see, you can easily tell that this part goes at the bottom of it, which comes in contact with the floor, and this part is the one that's going to be under your tabletop. So if I just stretch it out, ooh, okay, that's good. So there are these two moving bits, these wobbly ones. I think they go one over here and one over here. You might have to use a little bit of force to stretch it out a bit so that they can easily fit in here. So they have actually got holes at the bit of it, which actually fit right at this bit of the table on both sides. Yep. So your tabletop is not going anywhere. It's perfectly sturdy now. Alright, so both sides of the tabletop have these embossed grooves over here, okay, which you can easily tell that they can fit into these slats over here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Just going to put this here. I'll try and fix one side first. This and this and this and this. Yeah, this is actually this is the first time I fully assembled it, and this is very sturdy. I mean, I don't think so this table can easily break. It can take a lot of weight on it easily, the way it's designed. Okay, since it all nicely fits together, you can lift it up, move it here and there. You can even put it upside down. It's not going to fall just like that unless you pull it out of here from the sides, but overall, as it can be seen, it has fit quite nicely. Now I need to test it, so I can try and putting some stuff on it. Let me see what I can think of. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. This doesn't look heavy enough. Wait. This is pretty, even if I sit on it, I think this will stay very sturdy. The table has a very flat, even surface, so the grooves between the slats are not that huge, so things would not fall between them that easy. So, and it's very straight. If you put it on a flat surface, it's going to be a very good table. So if you're sitting on the floor, if you have a camping chair, anything like that, you put it on top of this. This will be a nice addition to your camping gear. So overall this good. The only feedback which I can have is that you have to think a little bit to assemble the legs together. It's not that straightforward. So it's a good thing that maybe if they can attach a label inside the bag of how the two slats go on top of each other like this, that would just help. It saves you time, nothing else. Overall, a very good product, very sturdy. I would definitely be recommending that for anybody who goes a lot of camping, and I'll be doing in the future a lot of moto vlogging and moto camping, so I will be needing this kind of equipment. So this is definitely recommended. If you want to buy it in the US, there's a link in the description. If you want to buy it in the UK, there's a link in the description. Everything is detailed down in the description of this video. That's it for this review. Take care.